Hi friends, Linda here with Life on Summer Hill, and today I'm so excited because we're doing one of my favorite things. We are going to make some Christmas decorations out of dollar store items. So let's get started.
Begin by removing the string, and then let's spackle the hole, making sure to fill it on each side and remove any excess. Next, after it's dried, let's sand it smooth on each side. Next, let's add chalk paint to your piece of wood, making sure to apply it in long, even strokes. I use Dixie Belle Color Cotton chalk paint. Now, grab a gold Sharpie marker and some inspiration like this gingerbread house I did back at Valentine's Day. I'll put a link to it below. Now, simply start drawing a design like a house on your piece of wood with doors and windows and cute little designs. Now it's time to place all your pieces on the tray. Begin by placing your house to one side and your tree to the other. Make sure they sit in just a little bit so your dome can sit on top of them. Now, add some hot glue to your house and then put him back on the tray where you planned him, holding him into place until you feel like he is good and secure. Then move to your tree and do the same steps. Last, add some snow to your tray. Simply put as much snow as you think necessary on your tray, and then move it around with a popsicle stick or something until it's nice and even. Now place your dome over the top and onto the tray, and you're all finished. And now you have a beautiful and whimsical decoration to add to all your Christmas decor.
Okay, so it's day number 2, and our next really cute project has to do with gnomes. Gnomes are so popular, so I grabbed these little guys, and we're gonna decorate them for Christmas, so let's get started.
Begin by brushing Decopage around the bottom rim of the gnome's hat. Then add snow to the decoupage, patting it down as you go around. Next, you can use a clean, dry paintbrush to remove any excess snow. Then repeat adding the snow around his mittens. And now for the fun part, and that is adding a cute little design with a white paint pen on the right side of his hat. Then hot glue a tiny little pom-pom to the design. And then hot glue a bigger pom-pom to the top of his hat. Make sure to hold it in place until it's good and secure. Now guess what? You're all finished and you have a cute little gnome to decorate your home for Christmas.
Okay, so for our next project, we're gonna turn these little tags into houses, and then we're gonna make them in a circle and put some candles in them. So let's get started.
Begin by removing the string from 11 wooden tags. Then spray them with a coat of primer on all sides. Next, spackle the hole on the front and the back, making sure to remove any excess spackle. After the spackle is dry, sand it on both sides. Then paint all sides with chalk paint. I used Dixie Belle Color Cotton. Next, grab a gold Sharpie marker and start drawing houses on the pieces of wood. Draw windows and doors, little squiggly lines here and there, and grab some inspiration off of the internet of gingerbread house designs. This is how I came up with all the different designs. Now grab a dollar store salad plate and place your house up against it and mark it with a pencil. Next, add hot glue to the pencil line and then place it up against the plate where the house sits flat on the table. Then when you do the next house, you'll add hot glue to the side too and put it up against the plate where the two houses meet. Here's how it looks on the inside. Last, let's add the candle to the middle and cuttings of greenery around it. And then you can add some cranberries after you've added the greenery and sprinkle some snow. Last, light your candle and you're all done. This decoration looks great as a table centerpiece. Add a few extra sprigs of greenery, cranberries, and sprinkle some snow to the outside.
Okay, so which one was your favorite? Was it the snow globe with the house and the bottle brush tree? Or was it the cute little winter gnome with the pom-pom on top of his hat? Or what about that beautiful centerpiece of all the houses with the candle in the middle, the greenery, and the cranberries? Which one was your favorite? Please comment below and share with me. I would love to know. So I just want to thank you for joining me here on Life on Summerhill on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Again, I thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon.